Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode. Today is Monday and marks the beginning of a new week. So before we go to the chart, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today, this week actually we don't really have any major news. So today we have no news on USD. All right, we have no news actually. So let's go back to the chart. And looking at the chart, let me clear this first and daily time frame or weekly. Let's start from weekly. Okay, so if you look at weekly time frame, this is what is happening. And as you can see that this weekly breakout, which got broken 2 weeks ago, that was December 4th week. Last week, the candle closed above that same breakout. Okay, the candle closed above that same breakout, giving us some kind of doji, but this is not actually a doji candle because the body is a little big. All right. Yeah. So what is likely to happen this week? And looking at this week, this is what I see. I'm still expecting a push to the downside, but probably the market can still go back to last week's high, or can even go a little above last week's high. Then it can start dropping, and probably 1937 level can be possible. All right, so that's the next level for gold on weekly time frame. 1937 1940 zone. That's the next target for gold, and probably it may keep falling down. But if this week's candle closes above 2048, then there is a possibility for the market to push higher. All right, for the market to push higher. So what we need to do is to wait and see how this week is going to end. Okay, now daily time frame. If you come to daily time frame, this is what is happening. And as we saw, now we have a nice morning star right here on daily time frame, and this is also a major zone. Okay, if you trace it back from this all the way here, you can see that it's actually a major zone, and on the zone, price has given us a nice morning star, a beautiful morning star formation. All right, so according to daily time frame, there is a potential for the market to push higher. And as you can see, last Friday, there was a push to the downside to test this level right here. Okay, but the market tested this level and it got rejected. So today, let's see if the markets will push higher, closing above 2036. If that happens, then price is respecting this morning star and the market will keep pushing higher to the next level of 2072, 2080 zone, and then the 2100 levels also possible. All right, so you just need to sit back, wait and relax and see to the end of this session. Okay, and H4, so what is H4 saying? And if you look at H4, let's look at the bigger picture. You look at H4, this is what is happening. Extend this a little. Yeah, you can see we have H4 zone right here, trend line, beautiful trend line. Okay, and you can see the market has been pushing highs and lows. Right now, so let's see if the market will still come back to the trend line. Anytime the market comes back to the trend line, look for a buying opportunity, because you can see that since the market started moving from this level, it has been ups and downs. So according to H4, this is H4 new high, this is a new low H4. So we should expect a new high. All right, we should expect a new high. Yeah, that is the bigger picture, H4. But if you come here, now this is what we have, and you can see that the market has respected this level. Okay, so until price breaks below that level, it cannot push up again. All right, it cannot push down. So just sit back, wait, and see how it's going to unfold. All right. Now, for you to buy gold and be safe, I will advise you wait. Wait for a breakout of this level, at this level here, 2040. If a candle closes above 2037, 2038, you can take a long buy all the way back to the 2145. Okay, that will be a long time buy. But if that doesn't happen, you just need to wait. Okay. Yeah. So these are the H4 zones where we are waiting for a breakout. Then we long or we short. Okay. Wait for the market to break below 2020. A candle closes, H4 candle close below 2020. Then you short back to 1977. Let a candle closes above 2040. Then you buy all the way to 2087 to 2100. All right. So guys, this is what you need to do. Just wait, and wait. What is happening in H1? So if you come to H1, this is what is happening. And as you can see, H1 has actually given you a confirmation for a buy, and the buy is already pushing after this bullish engulfing on the zone. Okay, so H1, the next target is 2036, but the market can also start rejecting at 2031, 2030. Okay, yeah, so for intraday purpose, buying is already in session all the way to 2030, 2032, 35. So once it breaks this zone, retests, then you are taking a long buy all the way to 2070, 28 zones. All right. That is what I see. Now 30 minutes, what is happening? And you can see that 30 minutes actually gave us a nice pattern right here, double bottom formation, and also a morning star, beautiful morning star. And that's why you see the market pushing highs. All right. So just watch and see how it's going to end today. Okay. So focus on the H1 breakout. Focus on H1 and H4 to break the upper zone and the lower zone. Then you see how to tackle this market. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk in every single trade. Just like I've been telling you, you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. And also, since we are in the Xmas season, a lot of banks a lot of institutional traders, big boys are going for holidays. So it's not really advisable to trade. So for me, I am done for the year. I'm not going to trade again until January next year. All right. If you must trade, make sure to manage your risk so that you don't waste your money. Okay. So guys, enjoy the rest of the day. And if you want to get a funded account, you can buy from Kutana or buy from Funded Next. Let us pass for you. So you get your funded account. 2024, you start trading real funds. All right. So guys, enjoy the rest of the day and I'll see you in another video. Have a nice day.